Alright, we think we may have a fish here. Trace is
we think we may have a fish.
Trace is bringing it in.
Trace is bringing it in. It could be a huge disappointment. We don't know at this point.
Could be a neutral rat.
Could also be a neutral rat.
We're hoping for a rat.
Because we're going to hatchet it to death. Slow down there, Turbo.
I see the perch.
Make the line in.
Yeah, there's no fight.
That little perch was pulling it around.
Little perch, he was just getting bit on. You see kind of bite marks he has on his body. He's got... Okay, pour it in.
We got something, guys.
Second attempt bringing something in. It was pretty apparent. It was a drastic jump. The boat was dragged back maybe 5 feet.
This is gonna be, this
We're hoping something.
Nighttime.
We're hoping there's something very large on here because the boat is going very slow. Pulling it in.
Oh, it's barely.
Something's fighting it. There are a couple of neutral rats out here, so we have a pellet gun just in case. That boat is barely moving.
I'm punching it right now. Oh my god. I'm punching it hardcore.
He's got something fairly large on the back of this boat.
This is gonna be the
Trent,
first nighttime catch.
Trent Trace.
First nighttime catch. Going on YouTube for sure. If it's a gar, I'm chopping it. Dude, no, I ain't. You see me? My boat, my fish. Alright, someone hold this.
I don't even see. There's the bobber.
Oh, it's not on it.
Ah.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh. What is it? Oh. It's a nice catfish.
Monster.
Monster.
Oh my god. Here, let me get by it. Oh my goodness. Monster catfish.
My word.
Look
Get
at
the boat.
The boat just caught the catfish.
Oh my
The
god.
boat.
Measure it up against.
Oh my god.
It's like as big as. You got that?
Look
Almost.
at that.
Look at that baby.
That's ridiculous.
Good night. Good night.
Hang on, let me get it up.
Mhm.
Damn. Yeah. Can't wait to show this. Alright, let's get him off.
Freaking beautiful. No, I mean the bucket.
Look at the size of this fish. In comparison to that boat.
It's probably a foot and a half, maybe? Foot
It's a big one.
and a half, I would think.
We're trying to
Remember his depth.
get the hook out of it so that we can put it back in the pond.
Two of my foot. Alright, guys. Let's see if I can find it.
Yeah.
It's got 2 onions, too.
Look at that. Oh, I almost fell in the water.
Oh, it's biting the... I can't find it. We might have to cut him.
Freaking mad too.
Oh no, he's biting him. He's biting it.
He swallowed it. That's what I'm saying.
Hang on, no.
Get your boat.
That's no job for that.
All right. We're going to have to cut this off and...
You gonna let him go or what?
It's a lost cause.
Ready? Bye-bye, big boy. Or big girl. Yeah, it's pregnant.
It may be pregnant.
Yeah,
It's a
that's
fat
why-
one.
That's why I was saying not to kick it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm rolling.
And off he goes. Way to go, dude. Yeah.
First nighttime fish.
Fourth attempt. We'll see what's happening here. It doesn't look like there's anything on that bobber. It's not moving.
Oh, it's got
It's got something on it.
Oh, we did get a little something. Look at there. It's a little bitty catfish.
Is it a catfish?
Yeah.
It is.
All right.
Get a close up there.
It's a baby
You're
catfish.
telling how long that thing has been on the line.
This is a much smaller catfish,
Yeah,
but
right
hey,
here.
it's success.
Right here.
It's success.
Two
Yeah.
fish in one night. Man.
2 fish in one
We got it
night.
all tangled up. Look.
Get it close to the light so we can see it. Get it close to the light so we can see a good size.
Lay it in there.
And
Yeah. Put it on that boat. There you go.
That thing.
All right. Way to go,
I
Trace.
bet you that's what's been pulling it around.
Yes, it has.
It's just a little smaller catfish.
That catfish.
We're gonna
has
have to
been-
restring it though.